Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna walk you through how to change subscription plans online in Hallow App. So to know how to change subscription app in Hallow, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. As we know that Hallow App is used for daily prayer and meditations, sleep stories and calm music, rosary and chanting, Bible study and homilies, challenge and community. This app is specially focused on Christian spirituality and mindfulness. And to change the subscription for this app, if you have just got your subscription from their website, you need to visit their website. Or if you haven't, or if you subscribe through the App Store or Google Play, you will need to change your plan through your device subscription settings. For that, first of all, you need to go to your settings on your iPhone, and after that you need to tap on your Apple ID, your name at the top. After that, you need to select the option subscriptions, and though as I don't have any kind of subscription, also I haven't took the subscription of this app. So if you have took any kind of subscription of this app, after going to the option subscription, you need to find the app Hallow and tap it and choose a new plan or cancel your subscription. Through these steps, you can simply change your subscription online. Or if you have subscribed through the Hallow website, you need to simply visit to their go to their Hallow website, visit hallow.com and log into your account, and after that you need to access subscription settings. Click on your profile icon, usually it on the top right corner, select the manage subscription or billing. After that, you need to change your plan, like you should see options to upgrade, downgrade or cancel your subscription, anything you want, and follow the prompts to select the different plan, monthly, yearly or family plan. So after following those prompts and selecting the different plans according to your need, you need to confirm and save it and review the changes and confirm the new plan. Your billing will update it on your selection. So this is how you can change your online subscription in this app. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.